Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talkfinity English channel, where learning English is simple and enjoyable. I'm Mia.
Hello, Mia. Hello, everyone. It's really nice to be here today. I'm Henry. How are you today, Mia?
I am wonderful, Henry. I am joyful, I have my coffee, and I am prepared to chat. How are you?
I am doing well, thank you. I am prepared too. Today, we have a large topic, a very key topic.
Ooh, a large topic. I enjoy large topics. What is it?
The topic today is don't quit when you're exhausted. Quit when you're finished.
Ooh, don't quit when you're exhausted. Quit when you're finished. Wow, that is powerful, Henry.
It is powerful, but it is really, really helpful. It is about keeping on, not giving up.
I adore this. This is so vital for learning English. Yes.
Oh, yes, for English, for jobs, for tidying the home.
Yes, tidying the home.
Well, before we discuss tidying, we want to say thanks. Thanks for watching Talkfinity English.
Yes, we are so glad you are here. Please, if you enjoy our podcast, take one moment and press like. Yes, a like is fantastic. And please join. Press the join button. It supports our channel a lot.
And spread it. Spread it with your pals, your relatives, anyone who wants to learn English in an entertaining way.
Yes, thanks. Thanks.
Okay, Mia, I am prepared. Don't quit when you're exhausted. Quit when you're finished.
Okay, let's discuss first. Exhausted. What is exhausted, Henry?
Exhausted. Exhausted is my eyes are drowsy. I want my bed. I want my cushion. My body is sluggish.
Yes, that is an excellent explanation. You are drowsy. You want to relax. You want the couch. Yes, I adore the couch. And finished. What is finished?
Finished is complete. Done. The task is over. The task is complete.
Complete. Yes, my assignment is finished. My meal is finished. The task is over.
Precisely. So the concept is don't quit when you're feeling drowsy. Quit when the task is over.
This is tough, Henry. This is very tough.
I understand. I understand it is tough. Let's consider learning English.
Okay, yes. Our learners are studying English.
Yes, and studying English is a huge task. It is not quick.
No, it is not one day. I learn, I hear, I read, and my mind is exhausted.
Yes, my mind is exhausted too. Sometimes I read a book in English. I read 1 page. Fine. 2 pages. Fine.
Uh-huh.
3 pages. My eyes are drowsy. I am exhausted. I want to shut the book.
Yes, you want to shut the book and view TV.
Yes, TV is simple. English is effort. But is the section finished? Is the unit finished?
No, the unit is not finished, so I am exhausted, but I must go on. I must continue.
Continue, but how, Henry? I am so exhausted.
Okay, good question. Perhaps the aim is too large. Perhaps the aim is read the whole book. That is too large.
Yes, an entire book.
Let's create a tiny aim. The aim is read 2 pages or read for 12 minutes.
12 minutes. Okay, I am exhausted, but I can manage 12 minutes. 12 minutes is tiny.
Yes, it is tiny. So you read for 10 minutes. You are exhausted, but you read. And then, ding, 12 minutes.
I am finished.
You are finished. Yes, finished for today.
Wow, that is wonderful.
I am exhausted, and I am finished.
Yes, and how do you feel? You feel exhausted, but you also feel nice. You feel I completed it.
Yes, I completed it. I am fine. I learned my English.
But if you quit, you are exhausted, you shut the book, you view TV. How do you feel after?
After, I feel awful
Awful? Why?
because I did not learn. The TV was fine, but my English? No improvement.
Precisely. You are exhausted and you are unhappy. That is not nice.
No, exhausted and unhappy is very awful.
I prefer exhausted and joyful. Exhausted and joyful is much nicer.
Me too. Okay, so tiny steps. The aim is finished for today.
Yes.
Let's consider workout.
Workout, okay.
Do you enjoy workout, Mia?
I enjoy walking.
Walking is nice. Walking is excellent workout.
Yes, I enjoy walking in the park. My aim, my plan, is to walk for 32 minutes.
32 minutes. Okay, that is a nice aim.
I begin. I walk. 6 minutes. Simple. 12 minutes. I am fine. 16 minutes. I am exhausted. My legs are exhausted. I am warm.
I know this sensation. And you spot a seat. A pleasant, comfy seat.
Yes. The seat says my name. Henry, sit. Relax.
Hello, Henry.
And I am so exhausted, I want to quit.
But what is the aim?
The aim is 32 minutes.
And you are at 16 minutes.
Yes, I am exhausted. I am not finished. See, this is the key moment, the vital moment. What do you do?
I think about exhausted and unhappy.
Nice.
I don't want exhausted and unhappy. I want exhausted and joyful. So I must go on.
Yes, continue. Perhaps walk slowly, not quick, just slowly.
Okay, a tiny step. I walk slowly. 15 minutes, 20 minutes,
You are nearly done.
32 minutes. Complete. Finished.
Wow, great work, Henry. And now, how do you feel?
I am very exhausted, but whoa, I feel powerful. I feel joyful. I completed it.
Yes, you completed your aim. You are finished. Now you can sit on the seat.
Yes. Now the seat is a reward.
A reward, yes, a treat. You effort, then you relax.
I enjoy that. The relax is a reward. It is not quitting. It is completing.
Yes, you deserved the relax. Great work.
This is really nice. Okay. English workout. What about, the kitchen?
Oh no, the kitchen.
After supper, I prepare, I eat. The meal is nice. I am stuffed, I am joyful, and I am very exhausted.
Yes, very, very exhausted.
I see the kitchen. There are dishes, cups, pans,
It is a huge task, a huge, messy task.
and my couch. My couch is saying, Henry, TV.
The couch is always saying,
I am so exhausted. I think, perhaps tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
The awful word.
Yes, tomorrow is awful. Why? Because you sleep, you get up, the morning is fresh, you enter the kitchen.
And the kitchen is messy.
Yes, the dishes are still there, the pans are still there.
And now I am not exhausted, but I am unhappy. Unhappy morning.
Unhappy morning. It is a bad beginning to the day. Okay, so back to supper. I am exhausted. I see the kitchen.
What do you do?
I say, no, Henry, not tomorrow. Now.
Nice. I quit when I am finished. So I clean the dishes, I clean the cups.
I wipe the table. It is perhaps 20 minutes. It is effort. I am exhausted, but it is finished. The kitchen is tidy.
Yes.
And now I go to the couch.
Ah, and how is the couch now?
The couch is amazing.
It is the top couch. I am exhausted, but I am pleased.
Pleased, that is a wonderful word. Pleased is I did a nice task.
Yes, I am pleased. The kitchen is tidy. I am joyful. I can unwind.
See? The difficult choice, tidying, makes you joyful after.
And the simple choice, tomorrow, makes me unhappy after.
Yes, precisely. Don't quit when you're exhausted. Quit when you're finished. It is about feeling nice after the effort. I get the effort. Study, workout, tidying. It is not always enjoyable.
No, it is effort.
But the sensation, the finished sensation, that is enjoyable.
Yes, the finished sensation is the reward.
So, Henry, this is a large idea. But why is it so tough? Why do we always want to quit?
That is a nice question.
I think our body, our mind wants to be comfy.
Comfy. Yes, the couch is comfy. The bed is comfy.
Yes, and effort is not comfy.
No, effort is not comfy. So our mind says, quit, go to comfy, go to the couch.
Yes, my mind says that.
But comfy is not improvement.
Improvement? What is improvement?
Improvement is going ahead, becoming better, learning fresh things. Improvement is learning 10 new English words.
Yes, improvement is walking 32 minutes, not 16.
Improvement is a tidy kitchen.
Yes.
And improvement, that makes us joyful. Very, very joyful. So comfy now is okay joyful.
Effort now is very joyful after.
That is it. You said it wonderfully. Effort now, joyful after.
Okay, so I am exhausted. I want to quit. What is the trick? What do I do?
Okay, trick number 1. Recall the aim. Why did you begin?
Okay, the aim, I began English because I want to trip. I want to see new folks.
Nice. So when you are exhausted, think trip. Think new pals. Don't think exhausted.
Okay, concentrate on the aim. Nice. What is trick number 2?
Trick number 2, make the step tiny.
Ah, yes, 12 minutes.
Yes, don't think, I must learn for 3 hours. No, that is too large.
Yes, 3 hours, I go to sleep.
Me too. Think, I must complete 1 unit, or I must write 5 lines.
Tiny, simple.
Tiny aims are simple to complete, and when you complete one tiny aim, you feel nice.
Yes, I am finished.
And perhaps you have power for one more tiny aim.
Ooh, yes, okay. 6 more minutes.
Precisely. Tiny steps create a large trip.
Wow, okay. Aim and tiny steps. Is there a trick number 3?
Yes. Trick number 3. The reward.
The reward.
I enjoy rewards.
Me too. The reward is after the effort.
Yes, the couch is the reward after the kitchen is finished.
Yes, my reward is coffee. I complete my learning, then I have a good coffee.
My reward is tunes. I complete my walk, then I hear my favorite tunes.
That is wonderful. The reward helps you complete. It helps you reach finished. This is wonderful, Henry. 1, recall the aim. 2, make tiny steps. 3, get the reward after.
This is how you quit when you are finished, not when you are exhausted.
I feel inspired. I feel powerful.
You are powerful, Henry.
And everyone hearing, you are powerful too. Yes, you are all powerful. Learning English is a huge task, and sometimes you are exhausted.
Yes, very exhausted. You learn, and you think, my English is sluggish, and you want to quit.
Yes, but don't quit. Recall your aim. Why do you want English? For trips, for pals, for a nice job.
Yes, and make a tiny step today. Learn 3 new words.
Yes, and when you're finished, get your reward.
Hear 1 English tune.
That is a nice reward. You are efforting and having enjoyment.
Yes, oh, this is so nice. Continue. Don't quit.
You can manage it. We believe in you.
Yes, we do. Wow, Henry, this was a wonderful, wonderful chat. I feel prepared to tidy my home.
Oh, nice. I am prepared to complete my task for today.
This is a very key idea. Don't quit when you're exhausted. Quit when you're finished.
That's correct.
Well, that is all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for hearing Talkfinity English.
Yes, thank you, everyone. It was enjoyable.
Please, if you enjoyed this topic, don't forget to join.
Yes, join our channel and give this video a large like if you feel inspired to.
And we have a question for you.
Ooh, yes. In the comments, please write in the comments, tell us what is one thing, one tiny aim you will complete this week.
Nice question. Will you complete 1 section? Will you tidy 1 room?
Let us know in the comments. We enjoy reading what you write.
Yes, continue everyone. You are doing a wonderful job.
We will see you in the next show.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Keep efforting.